Hey, what's up? How to handle sticky dough? Instead of dusting flour all over your dough, your bench, and sometimes yourself, use little bit of water to wet up your hands, your bench scraper, and of course the table you are working on. If you are shaping your dough on a board, you need to oil up the board before you are going to use it. This is a daily process in bakeries. Let the time to do your job. That's what Atol is about. Mix all the ingredients together, and before you do anything else, let the dough to rest 30 minutes to 1 hour and magic will happen.
Then bring the dough on the surface, wet up your hand, go under the dough, lift it up, few slap and fold, not more than 10, and then round the dough out with the help of the surface. And voila!
Of course, you need to learn some shaping and dough development techniques like coil fold, slap and fold, stretch and fold, but I think you're familiar with this kind of things, right? When you are touching and shaping your dough, you need to be quick. Imagine you are touching a very hot surface.
Pre-shaping number 1. Fold all the edges to the center, flip the dough, wet up your hand, and while you are turning the dough and pulling it toward yourself, try to push it inside itself and round it up. Voila! Doesn't stick to your hands anymore. Or you can use a scraper. No need to do anything, just push the dough quickly around the surface. In less than 10 seconds, the dough rounded up beautifully. To shape your dough, you can use little bit of flour on its smooth surface. Flip the dough quickly. There is two sides, smooth side and sticky side. I am always touching the smooth side. As you can see, I go under the dough, take the part away from me, and lift it up, stretch a little bit, fold it to the center. Take these two wings and fold on each other's. Now I only left with one sticky part. You can fold these two wings on each other, but I'm gonna lift this part up, stretch a little bit, and fold it to the center again. Again, two wings, fold on each other, and continue with all the edges. I like to turn the dough, take the part away from me, stretch a little bit, then tuck it. You can use a little bit of flour and continue rolling and tucking. Last but not least, seal the edges properly. Again, with the help of the scraper, I'm going to transfer it into the banneton. Easy peasy, right?
If you did all of the things I mentioned correctly and you already mastered the technique, but your dough not comes together properly, you need to check whether your starter is weak or your dough is not fermented very well. For that also I have a video. I put the link in description so you can check it out later.
Alright, that was it. Watch shaping from another angle, and if you like this video, like always you can like the video and subscribe my channel. Keep baking and take a good care of yourself.